Hi, this is to show you guys how to change the O-rings at the base of the Qlife Max. All right, okay. So what you need is a paper clip. Okay, so I choose a bigger one. It's easier. All right, and all you have to do is just take this out. All right, and this thing here, right here, is a ring that can actually be removed, and you need to just basically hand tighten it, set it. That's it. Okay, it's just to disperse the LED lights in there. All right, okay. The O-ring is somewhere in here. See this? Where I'm scrolling with my tip of my paper clip, right? This is a ring. It can get damaged. It can break this, whatever. So basically, just remove it. Don't have to worry about too much about it. Just remove it. Okay. And once it gets to there, just take it out. Okay. It's that simple. Right? And pop it out. Throw away. Okay. Get a new one. I can mail it to you if you need one, right? Just show it to me, and then use your fingers and just set it. That's it. Okay. All right. Don't have to use the paper clip. Do not use the paper clip because the tip of the paper clip can damage it. All right. Once it's set, take a look. Okay, I'm just gonna pause the video. I'm gonna take a look at a second. Once it's set, okay, take your bottle, right, and screw it back in. All right. Okay. Once it's done, okay, test it out, and then basically you guys know what to do. This is just a short tutorial how to change the O-ring. And then if you want to change the other O-ring, over here there should be an O-ring inside here. Let me go get one and I'll give it. Let me show you. This is my own cup right here. I'm just going to remove the cap and then show you guys in a second. Okay, and this is the cup. You can see the O-ring over here. Okay, all right, and then just remove it with one of this thing here. I'm not going to do it. You see it's right here. Just remove it, and then you can just use your finger and put it in there. Okay, all right, and you don't need to over tighten and crank it until the O-ring warp or get out of shape. If that does happen, you need a new one. All right, okay, you don't have to do that. Just basically hand tighten and it'll be fine. All right, just hand tighten like this. That's it. Okay, nothing. Don't crank it. It's not meant for you to crank it. All right. Okay. Thank you. Have a great day. Enjoy.